Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far, and welcome to this new video on Stellar or XLM. We needed to make a video. We actually broke out, which at this point of time you cannot really see that yet because this is the 12-hour time frame. But on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that. And XRP also broke out, which most of you know. XRP and XLM are very, very correlated. So in general, big bullish breakout. A lot of momentum. If you take a look at the volume right here, for example, XLM is actually 7th in volume in the last hour on a day where volume is actually pretty low. I mean, today we have the inflation rate data coming out, of course, but XLM and XRP are absolutely extracting all the volume from the market right now. I mean, the volume for XLM itself is up to $1.35 billion, an increase, a doubling since yesterday, which is even more than XRP. Obviously not the absolute volume level, but the increase. So ultimately, a lot of momentum. Like I said, on the 4-hour time frame, we actually were able to break above the value area high right here, which is the top of the range. Now you might say, what are you talking about? Range. I agree, it's not really a traditional range, but XLM for the majority of the time in the last month has bounced between this level right here at 46.2 cents. So that is the level we broke above, and that's also the value area high. All right, so that is actually technically the top of the range. But we have mostly bounced between that strong resistance level, which you can see is very respected as well, and this strong support level at 30 and 32 cents. So I count that as a range. I think we're breaking out right now, and then the big question is as well, is this a real breakout? And I think the answer is yes. I am convinced, all right? Usually if a breakout happens with volume, which we do have, and momentum, aka leverage, momentum is more, but now we actually do have some strong leverage being opened as well. Strong leverage, or at least what you tend to see is that you get a breakout and there's a healthy combination of leverage and spot volume, which both of them are present, and a strong fundamental reason as to why we're breaking out with all the positive possibilities for Stellar and Ripple. With the Trump administration coming in next week, I think this is a real breakout. Now, what I do think you need to be prepared for is volatility, all right? Because even though there is a lot of momentum for these coins, and I usually mention XRP and XLM kind of simultaneously because they're so correlated. What I do think you need to be a bit careful for next week is a sell the news effect. Just so you know, I'll still keep you updated on that, but just so that you're prepared. And the inflation rate data later this afternoon. All right, that's most likely going to cause volatility, and that's also going to either speed up the process of getting into 50 cents, which is the first conservative price target, and ultimately into 55 and 56 cents, which is a little bit more of a further price target. It's either going to speed it up if the inflation rate data is lower than expected, but if it's higher than expected, first of all, we will pull back quite a bit. We can spike down quite a bit here into something like 44, 43 cents. And second of all, then there's also a possibility that this turns into a fake out. I don't think that's most likely. I think it's most likely that regardless of the inflation rate data outcome, we're moving into this into this price target here at 51, 52 cents at least. But I will keep you updated on this, and I do think you need to be prepared for the scenario in which the inflation rate data is higher than expected and that it will turn into a fake out. It's a possibility. I will keep you updated on that. For now, I think this is what you need to know about XLM in the markets. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, or what's better is to join the Telegram or the Discord group, because there's a lot of spam in the comments, which I cannot all delete. So hopefully see you there. But for now, thank you for watching. Hopefully it was valuable, and take care.